Hello and welcome to Management 2300, Principles of Management. My name is Matt Bennett and I'll be your facilitator for this 6-week summer module. I'm looking forward to working with you throughout our time together, and always like to provide a weekly kickstart or video welcome for the week so that you can get an overview of what it is that we're going to be covering for that week or module throughout our time together. First and foremost, let me welcome you to the class. Whether this is your first class or your last class at Northwood University, we thank you for choosing us, and I'm sure and confident that you'll enjoy the time together and walk away with some great differentiators for yourself in the marketplace. Just a couple of quick reminders to get things going for this week is I always like to remind folks that it is imperative that the week begins at 12 a.m. on Monday and ends at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday evening. So there are no assignments that will be accepted late, so please keep in mind and plan accordingly that 12 a.m. on Monday or midnight Monday and 10 p.m. on Sunday are key parameters for you to get your assignments in and get all of your necessary work completed. That said, let's jump right into how the course is structured. As you've seen the syllabus, each week consists of 4 primary components. The first is your reading assignment. For this week, week 1, it will consist of chapters 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, that will include the exceptional manager, what you do and how you do it. Chapter 2, management theory, which is an essential background for successful managers, which you will become. And Chapter 3, the manager's changing work environment. We all know that change is the most constant in anything that we do. And as you work towards developing your managerial and leadership skill sets, it's going to be imperative to be able to identify change and opportunity before they occur. So that said, your reading assignment will consist of those 3 chapters this week. There are slides provided in each in a folder for you. Secondarily, you will have a discussion board question, as many of you have seen already, excuse me, relative to the chapters. Third, you'll have a textbook or homework assignment. This week, it's your management interview, so I'm looking forward to reviewing those. And then fourth and finally, each week, you'll have a quiz. What you'll find is that each week is set up in the same format with your reading assignment, your discussion board, your textbook or homework assignment, and your quiz, for a total of 100 points per week. Excuse me. So, that said, we look forward to working with you throughout the time together. This week, you have chapters 1, 2, and 3, a homework assignment, your quiz, and of course your review. So we want to make sure that you're not only engaging me, but also your peers. So it is imperative to remember that logging on once a week won't cut it. It won't be sufficient. But I encourage students, as you've seen in the syllabus, to log on at minimum 3 times per week to ensure that you get the most out of the week's discussion question, the most out of the week's engagement with me and questions, but also the most out of each other. So, that said, you'll find that each week we'll have a video introduction and kickstart as to what we're going to cover. I wish you all the best throughout our time together, and look forward to working with you throughout the 6-week module. Have a great evening, and I'll talk to you soon.